Let's go for a drive in the snow. Monday, the 22nd of January. And we got 6 inches of snow on the ground. Yes, me, I'm being that idiot that's going out and driving around in the snow. Mainly because I want to go to the store and need to get a couple of things because we have none. And neither one of us were able to get it yesterday because we were both working. But I don't think it's that bad out now. Just kick her in 4-wheel drive and away we go. I'm kind of used to driving and stuff like this because if you've seen earlier this month, I posted old snow plowing videos from a few years ago, and when you go plow snow, you got to drive through 6 inches of snow to get to where you're going, and so you can plow. So I mean, I'm used to driving around this stuff. This don't bother me at all. But this is my regular day off from hauling milk, so I don't have to worry about that, thankfully, because even though, yeah, the weight of the milk to help give me traction, that just with all these hills and curves and stuff like that, it makes me a little bit nervous with the milk because the milk likes to slosh around when you go around them curves and kind of make the truck a little squirrely. But I also wanted to say on Saturday, yes, I got my package from the Farming Life. No, I haven't opened it yet, but I wanted to say I got it. I didn't think I was gonna get it because I thought when the government shut down, the mail was gonna stop, but I was proven wrong. The mail came through and I got my package. So I will be making a video on that, me opening it up. Just gonna wait for somebody else to be around to run the camera for me while I open the box up. So when she's home from work, I can do that.